Hello traders, how are you guys? Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing this video just at the end of the previous week, and the weekend has just started. So treat the implication of this video from for the next week. For the next week. So the previous week I explained it that the price will, if the price breaks this barrier, it will go up, but it didn't, so it failed, and it came down, and it came down to this position, and I have mentioned clearly that this is the one area where it will retest. So it didn't retest when it came down, but it retested for a long time in 4 hours here, and it failed to break the this line, this resistance, and then it came back here. And I did mention very clearly that at least if it breaks this line, if it fails to go up, it will come here, and it will start ranging again, or it will show some attitude. This was the half of our range, whole range. I beg your pardon, and this was the full of our range. So if we minimize it and bring it down, so half of it has to be achieved, and it achieved already the half. So that was confirmed on 2nd November. Now, before we analyze further, I would like to have the perspective from the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame, and then coming back to 4-hourly time frame. Where may this pair can lead us to make some money. So let's go to month. In month, we can see, as it has been mentioned in earlier video, very clearly that it made a triple top. And also the vital thing here, I would like to remind you guys that this was August. This was August, this was September. The price came down substantially and broke this. You can see this support, broke this support. This support has been broken, and again the price retraced in October. So I keep this here all the time to keep in mind, and that we call it ADRT, after deep retracement. If support is broken, market will come back there again. It means market has to come back here. It's a experience and price action thing. You can say there's no hard and fast rule about it, but that is the observation. We have to learn from each observation. So market will come here. This is the thing. So I keep it in, just keep it in mind. There is no action required for this. No action is required for this. Just to keep this in mind, that the probability of price coming down here is higher, and it is higher now after the first week, and end of November we'll see if the price comes down here. And also the price will to move upward, and here you can see there are 3 marking I have put, especially this red one, this dashed red one in the middle, and this is the top one. This is the monthly range we are operating, and this is half of the month. And here I mentioned again and again in different videos that to take any sell or buy trade, we need to have a double top or double bottom, a cup and handle, or an inverted cup and handle, or we may have a ranging market needs to break support or resistance. These 3 things are the most simplest form to observe things. So in month we have a higher probability now that after deep retracement, the support, if as support has been broken here, this month is in the first week it is showing that sign. Monthly analysis is done. Now coming back to week, this is the current week. So there is nothing in this current week. If you can see, I mean the previous week, it has just done no double top, no double bottom, and there is a certain thing we can. Do we have a double bottom in week? No, we don't. We don't have anything here to form a double bottom. Nothing is there. So nothing is here. Nothing. No double bottom, double top, no double top. So we leave week as it is. Coming back to day. Now in day, we have to be very careful. Why we need to study each time frame after the end of every week, and especially at the end of every month, because BFI creates and confuse the traders, the small traders, through creating these patterns, and they take advantage. And when we, the small traders, ignore those patterns created in a different time frame, and they take full advantage of it. I will try to visualize those things here. No worry. So here it was the daytime daily double bottom, which created this double top in 4 hours. This double bottom has been created in 4 hours. If we go to 4 hours, we can see it very clearly. So I'm going through a flashback now. This is a double bottom, double top created in 4 hours, and please keep it in mind that this double bottom, let's remove this line, it is coming from the month, so let's put it in monthly time frame only, so it doesn't make us confused here. Okay. So this double bottom, double top created in 4 hours, and that created this whole structure now from pushing the price here, and it came down to here. It fulfilled its half of the journey, and it also, please note very carefully, it also fulfilled 75% of the whole journey. If you measure it clearly, it has already completed it. 75% of this range, when we discussed on 2nd November, it has this is give and take, if you can say that, 175 pips it has created. After that, it has retraced back here in 4 hours. So let's see in day if did it created any pattern yet. In day, no pattern has been created, because in daytime, if a pattern needs to be confirmed, a green candle is required here. A green candle. We don't have that yet. No, nothing is here. Nothing is here. So in day, we can overlook at that time being. But what we should do here, that still this double bottom is valid from day. What we should do, what we can do here, we should put a note here that if the price comes down to this level, it may create a double bottom, and that will work as a leading indicator for us. So let's put something here, so we get alerted seeing the chart immediately. And this, and here we should say, we should say possible double bottom. Let's put the text there. So if for any reason if the price comes down to this level, will be automatically alerted for the coming weeks. So let's leave it this. So that's it for the day, and this is a vital zone for day, we can say. This one, this is the price where this is the last barrier of it. If it breaks, then it will go down more. So this is a day is finished. Coming back to 4 hours, so we have not found any formal pattern yet which has been formed in month, in week, in day, which we can consider. So still the BFI is not doing very active here. So let's get to our 4-hour time frame and remove these things now. It has lost its implication already, so we remove these guys. No point. The market is done here. Market is done here. And now I didn't remove this one for two reasons. For number one reason, still it has a chance to come up from this 4-hour double top. This can be fulfilled up to this area, so we can remove this black mark because we have implemented the day already. Let's tweak it a little so we can see. It will be very good to see the price response. This is the double bottom. If price touches this is a possible double bottom we have. And these are different zones, and this is our double bottom, confirmed double bottom from where market has started and came here, then it is coming here. Now, can you guys see something very clearly that it is forming a cup already? A cup has been formed, undoubtedly, because the journey has been fulfilled. Now there is two options here. First, it can create, I beg your pardon, there is three options here. One, that it will create a handle. Second, it will fulfill and come here and make a new cup. Let me show you guys. So it can come here and it will form a cup again, but with a higher dimension. The cup will be formed like this in that case, up to this. So this is another option. And the third option we have that price will start ranging here. Something like this, and create a consolidate, in other words. So one, it can go to create the handle. Second, as we have a possible double bottom in day time frame here, so the price will come here and it will form fulfill the cup, a higher depth cup, and it will fulfill this journey too. This journey too, it will fulfill. This will fulfill this journey too. Okay, this will fulfill this journey. And third thing, it can start ranging. After coming here or there, what will happen, we will discuss this later. Until I don't want to go so much in future. So what we can do now? What is our best option? First of all, if we can see that after achieving the 1/3, the price went up, try to break out the up, it wants to go up. So let us remove this guy. We don't. This was the half of the whole range, so I'm removing that half at the moment because it is not that much impact on us anymore. Let's remove this line. Let's make it more clear. So it is working as a zone because the half of the day bottom and half of the 4 hours top, double top is both are here. So if we can see the range, actually we can see the range like this. This is the range. It is actually working now. We have to put it in black. We only use black legend color to understand the zone without related to any time frame. So here price achieved the 3/4 of this range which we predicted, and it went up again, and it went up again here, and it went up again, came down again, but it went up again up to this point. So we can mark this thing now that there is a huge, this is the place where price needs to break off if it wants to form the handle, this handle. This is the position needs to be broken. Without breaking this point, I don't think, and it has to be broken with a very good candle, green candle with the body, not weak. So this is one place where it needs to be broken. And on the contrary, if we go on the downside to fulfill this journey, this has to be broken. This guy, this line has to be broken. This line has to be broken. So with this, within this two range, everything we can see now is that is ranging. This guy. So we don't know what will happen. So what we are going to measure now, that how far it will go up here. So for cup and handle, the base, the simple logic is this: it will fulfill half of the cup. So let's now invalidate this thing because it has done 75, and the possible double bottom in day is already in line with it, which we have marked through this blue zone. So let's measure how far the cup can go. So it will come up to this position. This is the cup fulfilled. To create the handle, we have to be, it will come up to this zone. I mean, this is the area it will come. And we have to be very careful about this. You understand? This will come. So we can delete it. No, don't delete it now. No, let's work on it later. It will come up to this. This is the place it should come. If it goes up, breaking this area, this one, this guy. On the other hand, can you go to day Dow and check if there is any other possibility of no? We don't see anything here. In week, do we have anything? No. in month, no, in month we don't have anything near here, nothing is here, nothing. So let's go to 4 hours. So this is one possible double top from where it will come, and once it comes here, what will be the reaction? There is 2 reaction. So I will monitor these things. So if there is any change, I will update you guys. So this is another place it will come, and let's put it here for the time being. If the double top, possible double bottom in day breaks, it will have some reaction here. It will have some reaction here. To be very clearly, let me identify that. So it may have some reaction from here. So this will come here. Let's remove this guy now. So we have one option, and let's remove the cup, so we can work on things. We can have a very clear chart. So from here we have one option. It will go from some place here to here. It will come, retest, it will break out, it may retest again, and then it will go here. And if it breaks, retest and breaks it, then it will go to the top where it has started. To be honest with you, it will come here again. This price will come here. This is one option we have. Second is ranging, which I have marked here. Second, it will range actually like this, like this, like this. There will be irregular pattern, of course, but I don't think it will range more than 2 days. I don't think, because in 2 days we have news, fundamental changes will come, so it will not hold more than 2 days. Maximum 3 days it will show its color either on upside, on down. So on upside, the best thing, the pips we can have, if we have a breakout here, we will have 121 pips. And if it is broken, then we may go for 200, 300 pips almost, but let's assume 75%, something like this, 240 pips. On downside, we have some limitations, because already 75% has been achieved once. But going on downside required to break this. So for the conservative traders, it is advisable that you take trade after this, but on the a little bit no risk no gain, you guys can take trade from here to, if you see the major change in price action, like you are getting the red is not breaking this line. I mean, let me show you the if something like this happen, that the price, the red color candles are not breaking this line, this black line on the upside, so you can take trade from here. So let me show it from here for the time being. So the price will come from here, same area. It will come, it will retest, it will come. It may retest or not, I don't know. Let's assume it will break out and it will come here. And here, if it comes, it will do some retest, believe me. And maybe it will retest here, or it may come here and it will retest, then it will come here. So these are the possible 2-3 scenarios. Let me remove this guy. No utility anymore. So So let me put it in black. I beg your pardon, in red, and this may create the zone. So this will be a zone or this thing. So hold your horse and see what happens. And this is the place, and from here I will suggest to see things like this. That's it for Gbpnzd. I am very sorry that I cannot squeeze the time without elaborating the thing, because I hope the traders will get the understanding more clearly. And if you guys have any question, please feel free to communicate me in comment section so that I can respond to it. And if there is any analysis you would like to see on any pair, feel free to let me know. Disclaimer is this: I don't take any responsibility of this trade, so any profit or loss you make, it is on you. You don't need to share anything. No profit, no loss with me. Have a nice weekend, and thank you very much for watching. I don't like to say, but please, if you think this video is innate to your analysis, give a like and share it. And please do subscribe. Thank you very much.